Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now.
You interested in living in Fukuoka? And do you enjoy doing some home DIY? Boy, do I have some good news for you.
Good day.
I'm outside the Najima Danchi, a public housing project in Eastern Fukuoka where you can rent a 2DK apartment for as little as 34,200 yen. And if you choose one of the units on the 4th and the 5th floor, you can get 2 months rent-free. And to kickstart your renovations, everyone gets 20,000 yen in DIY products from GooDay Home Center. Hi, Namiko!
はい、グッデイ団地へようこそ。はい、今からグッデイ団地をご紹介します。こちらはキッチンです。こちらがリビングになります。こちらが寝室になります。
After showing me the rooms, Namiko introduced me to some of the DIY projects. DIY shelving using adjustable height railings. A DIY pipe frame table, sized perfectly for this kitchen. And it even rolls on wheels. Next, Namiko introduced me to unit tatami squares.
張り替えるのはめんどくさいっていう方のためにこの1畳タイプのユニット畳を置いたんですね。でもこれ置くだけなので実は掃除がしやすい。
The doors of a traditional Japanese closet have been removed to create an open storage space. Here, a variety of inexpensive containers keeps belongings organized. And in sets, they look really smart.
で実はこちらのベッドルーム、もともと畳のお部屋だったんですけれども、こちらを畳を剥がしてここはフローリング化にしました。
And it's also easy to remove if needed. And what looks like concrete walls is actually realistic looking wallpaper that dramatically transforms the room's ambience. For a warm and organic feel, denim pattern paper was applied to the Japanese sliding doors and other walls. It's a cool and creative touch that adds much more warmth and depth to the room. Next, Namiko and I visited the larger 2DK size model room next door. The DIY renovations are still underway. This unit could easily serve as a small office or a creative space. The light colors used on the walls and floors give it a bright and airy feel. But that's not all. Namiko shared with me a GooDay Home Center secret.
この窓見てください。レースのカーテンをしてないのに、あまり見えないですね、表が。実はこの窓、遮熱ペイントというペンキを塗ってます。
It reduces sun heat and UV rays, lowering room temperatures and preventing the fading of interior furnishings. I'll show you how easy it is to apply. Mask up the window frames. Wet the roller with paint. It's thick. Roll onto the window. And let it dry, and you're done. If you change your mind, you can peel it off. It's amazing what anybody can do with just a little bit of DIY skills and the right products. Once again, thank you so much.
どうもありがとうございました。
The GooDay Danchi in Najima is open to the public by reservation only. Details on rental fees and special promotions are in the video description. All products shown are available at GooDay stores.